Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will compare Morningstar versus Seeking Alpha. We'll explore their core functionalities, unique features, and how they cater to different investment styles. Understanding these differences will help you choose the best platform for your financial goals. We'll cover everything from research tools to community engagement, ensuring you make an informed decision for your investment journey. Morningstar is renowned for its deep dive into mutual funds and exchange-traded funds. Their proprietary star ratings offer a quick visual guide to performance, backed by comprehensive analyst reports. You can also utilize their powerful Portfolio X-ray tool to uncover hidden fees, asset allocation, and sector exposure, giving you a clear picture of your holdings. This platform is ideal for long-term investors. Seeking Alpha stands out with its vast array of articles from thousands of contributors, offering diverse perspectives on individual stocks. Their unique quant ratings and factor grades provide an objective, data-driven view of a stock's potential. Plus, the active community forums allow for lively discussions and idea sharing, making it a dynamic environment for those seeking fresh investment insights and engaging with other investors. When considering cost, Morningstar Premium is approximately $249 annually, while Seeking Alpha Premium is about $239 per year. Morningstar generally appeals to long-term investors focused on fundamental analysis and portfolio construction. Seeking Alpha attracts more active traders and those who value diverse opinions and quantitative stock analysis. Before you go, check the description for a link to these fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, along with other great deals to help you stay organized and efficient.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.